Hello, Michael Acoustic students and families. We're here today to celebrate National Indigenous Peoples Day. To begin, we would like to acknowledge that we're on Treaty 6 territory, a traditional meeting grounds, gathering place, and traveling route to the Cree, Saulteaux, Blackfoot, Métis, Dene, and Nakota Sioux. We acknowledge all the many First Nations, Métis, and Inuit whose footsteps have marked these lands for centuries. I'm here today to just quickly go over this resource and how you can use it to explore, to wonder, to learn, to inquire. So, if you would like to learn more on National Indigenous Peoples Day about dance or art and how to do some of these things, oh, you might recognize some of these faces. It's from Dance Ed. They can teach you some Métis jigging steps. All of these columns, you scroll down, and if you click on the box, it will take you to different links. You might want to participate and do some art. Here you can learn Cree songs or counting. This column, these are all physical activity you can participate in using resources you could just find in your backyard or in Mother Nature out in the forest. Increasing your understanding about treaties. What does Indigenous mean? Languages. Scroll down and find out. And here is a variety of music and dance from different Indigenous peoples across our country. So, enjoy, learn, share with your friends and family. Thank you for participating. Have a wonderful day.